क्यूब रूट ऑफ यूनिटी, क्यूब रूट ऑफ यूनिटी। कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर का एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट सवाल पूछे जाते हैं क्यूब रूट ऑफ यूनिटी पे, और उसकी हम बात करेंगे व्हाट इज क्यूब रूट ऑफ यूनिटी, इसकी बात हम यहाँ करना चाहेंगे। क्यूब रूट ऑफ यूनिटी का मतलब है हमारा यहाँ ये है कि हमारा क्यूब स्क्वायर रूट होता है, स्क्वायर रूट होता है x की पावर 1/2 स्क्वायर रूट होता है। हम क्यूब रूट की बात करें तो x की क्यूब रूट का मतलब है 1/3। क्यूब रूट मीन्स x raised to power 1/3 is the cube root of this, that part is the cube root। हमने क्यूब रूट ऑफ यूनिटी की बात करूंगा तो मुझे इसकी वैल्यू निकालनी है, व्हाट इज द x raised to power 1/3। क्यूब रूट ऑफ यूनिटी, unity means 1, I want to find the value of 1/3। let me take this equal to x, then x cube is equal to 1, therefore x cube minus 1 is equal to 0, and I make the factor x minus 1 into x square and plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. This is a factorization. When I make the factor of x cube minus 1 is equal to this is here to go. So what I got the values, x is equal to 1 or x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Using the quadratic this to solve this, b square minus 4ac divided by 2 is equal to minus 1 plus minus under root 3 by 2. So we have got three roots of this cubic root. We have got three roots. We have got three roots here. One root is 1, another is one root is equal to 1. This is equal to 1. One root second is minus 1 plus under root 3 by 2 into minus iota. This is minus 1 iota. It's iota here, minus 1 minus under root. This is minus 3. So iota here, minus 3. There are three roots of the, we have got now cube root of unity are 3. They are namely 1 minus 1 plus under root 3 iota divided by 2 minus 1 under 3 iota divided by 2. These are the three roots we got. Three root, cube root of unity is 1, this minus this one to go. This is here. Well, when I go this part, then you can look at the properties of this. When I square this, I'll get it. Minus 1 plus under root 3 iota divided by 2. If I square it, it's equal to 4 here. 1 square plus 3 into iota square minus 2 into under root 3 iota is equal to iota square minus 1 minus 2 under root 3 iota divided by 2. This is equal to divided by 4. Iota square is equal to minus 2. When I square it, this a square plus b square or b square minus 2 into plus 2 into minus 2 into under root 3 into iota. So I got here iota square is equal to this. So I minus 1 minus under root 3 iota divided by 2. I got this omega. This is 1 square. If I name it omega, then this is equal to omega square. That is one part. Second property of that is we add this total. If I add omega plus omega square, what I get is equal to 1 plus minus 1 under root 3 iota divided by 2 plus minus 1 minus under 3 iota by 2. If I add them, the 2 here, 2 minus 1 plus under root 3 iota minus 1 under root 3 iota, it cuts and equal to 0. So we have got the property, number one property, that is here it is. Secondly, if I multiply or total, if I multiply these one, okay, 2 and 2 is 4. This I multiply 2 and 4. A plus b into a minus b is a square and minus under root 3 iota square. This is a is equal to 1 and minus under root, so this is 3 and iota square is equal to minus 1 by this is equal to 4 by 4 is equal to 1. So I got here, there are two properties of the cube root of unity is 1, sum of them is equal to 0 and product of them is equal to, the answer is 1. So on this video that we are doing now is the one that is, there are three cube root of unity. This one, omega and omega square are the roots of this one. This one. Remember, Sometimes the question asks number 1. Number 2 is sum of them is equal to what? 0, and product of them is equal to 1. The question based on this are asked. The question based on this are asked like this. If sub question like this, if alpha is the root of this equation, alpha square plus alpha plus 1 is equal to 0, then find the answer of alpha raised to power 12. What is the answer? Is equal to. So this root can be what? It can be omega or omega square. What is omega raised to power 12? Omega 12 is equal to, friend, is equal to 1. If it is omega square, doesn't matter. It is omega 24 and again is equal to what? 1. Whatever that, its answer is equal to 1. This type of question, and alpha is the root given by this, find the answer. So here you can do the question based on these two properties. One, I just said cube root of unity are 1, omega and omega square, and sum of them is always equal to 0, and omega cube. I am using these two properties to do some question which have been asked in the examination, like this. What is the, says 3 plus omega plus 3 omega square, and this question raised to the power 4 is equal to what? What is this equal to? Well, friend, I take out 3 common, 3 plus omega square plus omega raised to the power 4. What is this equal to? 1 plus omega square is equal to minus omega. It is equal to minus 2 omega minus 3 omega square plus omega raised to the power 4. It is equal to minus 2 omega raised to the power 4. It is equal to 16 and omega raised to the power 4. And omega raised to the power 4 is equal to what? Omega raised to the power 4 can be written as omega cube into omega is equal to 1. So this is omega. So answer is, the choice is given to, so it's 16 omega. This is the one question to go. My next question is, what is this equal to? 1 plus omega minus omega square raised to the power 7 is equal to what? 1 plus omega minus omega square is equal to what? What is this equal to? It is 128 omega square, or 128 minus omega. What is this? Well, here we go. 1 plus omega minus omega square raised to the power 7, this is equal to, let me say 1 plus omega is equal to, 1 plus omega is equal to minus omega square, and minus omega square raised to the power 7 minus 2 omega square raised to the power 7. 2 raised to the power 7, that is 128 is 14, and 14, omega 14 is equal to omega 12 into omega square. This 12 means omega 3 is to the power 4. So 1 omega square here. So it is 128 omega square is my answer. My next question is, if suppose 1 plus omega into 1 plus omega square into 1 plus omega 4 into 1 plus omega raised to the power 8, what is the answer? What is the choice answer? Choice answer is answer 3, it's minus 3, it's equal to 9, or it is equal to 1. What is the answer here? If I look at this, what is the answer of this? So, involving the question based on the cube root of unity, we are doing the question which are commonly asked in the examination. Well, friend, here we go. 1 plus omega is equal to minus omega square. 1 plus omega is equal to minus omega. 1 plus omega 4 is equal to 1 plus omega, because 4 and 1 plus omega 8 means omega square. This again is equal to minus omega square. Is equal to minus omega, is omega cube into omega cube, it's equal to 1. So this is equal to, answer is 1. So here we got the answer using the two properties. Let me do one more question on this one. 1 plus omega minus omega square, and this raised into 1 minus omega plus omega square. What is this equal to? Choices are 1, 0, 1, 0, 2, 4. What is the answer of this? Friend, this question is, here we go. 1 plus omega is equal to minus omega square. Okay. And 1 plus omega is equal to minus omega minus is equal to minus 2 omega square and minus 2 omega is equal to 4 omega cube is equal to 1. So this answer is equal to 4. That's the question. It is given in the case of the omega. So we have got the question based on the property which I have written here. That is the 1 plus omega square. And before I end up, I must write down what is the answer for this. Minus omega plus under root raised to the power here 3 plus minus 1 minus under root 3 iota raised to the power 6. What is the answer of this? What this is equal to? Friends, I know it's going to be 2 omega. It is 2 omega cube. And this is equal to 2 omega square raised to the power 6. It is 2 raised to the power 3 omega cube. 2 raised to the power 6 omega raised to the power 12. So this is equal to 1 because omega cube 2 raised to the power, this is 1. So it is 8. 2 raised to the power is 1, 256. And answer is equal to 264 is the answer of this. So we have the question based on the cube root of unity. And they are simple questions they are asked in the exam. NDA asked a very simple question, not difficult question on complex numbers. However, I will be doing more questions which are slightly difficult than what is asked in the examination. Hope you understand these questions. Cube root of unity. You must be aware about this question. Hopefully you will do. And I understand if you do the revision based on your book, in the NCERT book or any book you would NDA, do try, and they are simple questions. Thank you so much.